Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today, I just want to go ahead and say I'm in the bathroom, the power's out, the weather around here is really crappy. If you live around where I live here in Texas, in the kind of central Texas, it's like frozen, trees have fallen on power lines, so we're without power, and this is the best light. Here I am. But just want to go ahead and say thanks for everyone who shared the video and subscribed. It means a lot to me because you don't have to do that. And I'll be picking the winners tomorrow or Friday at 5, like around 5:30, somewhere in there. Probably make a video or on Instagram or something, so go check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this. I'll be making turkey burgers today with squash and zucchini, and well, I made it actually like yesterday, but with squash and zucchini, sweet potato fries, and the turkey burgers. If you're not a big fan of like vegetables and stuff, I know it's really hard to do these meals, but honestly, I didn't like vegetables probably until like 3 years ago. I made myself start eating them, and now I love them. But anyway, so with the sweet potatoes, because if you're watching your carbs, you don't have to eat them, or if you don't like them. But with the sweet potatoes, it's $21.20, so it's about $3 per meal. 540 calories for every per meal, 46.3 grams of protein, 22.3 grams of carb, and 28.3 grams of fat. And without the sweet potatoes, it's $18.15 for everything. About $2.59 per meal. It's 492.4 calories per meal, 45.41 grams of protein, 28 grams of fat, and your carbs drop to about 11 grams. So it's pretty good. The overall calorie count for everything is 3,782 calories, 198 grams of fat, 156 grams of carb, and about 324 grams of protein. Those are all rough numbers, guys. It's not exact because there's different things you have to put in consideration, but it's super good. I love it. It's honestly the best burger I've had in a long time, and it's not that hard to make. You will have some extra like bell pepper, onion, and spinach left over. I had a lot, but I use it to put in my omelets in the morning, so it's okay with me. But if you don't want that, you don't have to buy 2 bell peppers, or you don't have to use all of your onion or stuff like that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
smoke with SPINACH, steady smoking it, I ain't next to it up. Kick it up.